the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So today I want to talk about Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN, up about 9% on the day to after hours price of $6.94 at the time of this video. Volume pretty crazy today, above average at 86 million trades of this stock. And I did let you guys know about Ocugen back at $3.17 all the way back on January 4th. And then I talked about how Ocugen was entering the vaccine market and some positive things moving forward from there. Till this video, till now, $6.89, or actually $6.94. So hopefully you guys have made some profits from that video till now. If we do take a look at the chart here for Ocugen, it's been pretty up and down. It hasn't really gone below $6 for quite some time, and we see here it did dip down end of March and been leveling out here at around the $6.60 mark. But I wanted to talk today about Ocgn because there's some news that has come out regarding their vaccine, and I wanted to just go over it and give you guys my overall updated opinion on this stock. Again, I do remain extremely bullish on this stock. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you're unfamiliar with Ocugen, originally they were a company that developed gene therapies to cure blindness diseases, but since COVID-19, they have been working on developing a vaccine, and that vaccine is Bahar Biotech's Covaxin. So Ocugen and Bahar Biotech are co-developing Covaxin, which is a wholly variant inactivated COVID-19 vaccine for the United States market. So basically, Bahar Biotech has created this vaccine called Covaxin. It's being used in India, it's being used in Brazil, and it's really showing quite a bit of promise here. The Prime Minister of India has taken Covaxin, and what Ocugen is doing is they're taking Bahar's Covaxin vaccine and they are commercializing it in the United States for use in the United States, and Ocugen will receive about 45% of the profits from the sale, I guess, of the Covaxin vaccine. So a lot of news, circulating around COVID-19 vaccines right now. A lot of more people are getting vaccines, and a lot more vaccines are opening up to the public. And like I said, Bharat Biotech is the Indian partner of Ocugen and is one of the key drivers, I believe, probably the key driver to Ocugen's rise this year as far as their share price goes to $6.96. But really what is going on here is the announcement or the grant authorization that Mexico has granted authorization for emergency use of India's Covaxin vaccine. So the decision by COPRIFIS to authorize the emergency use of Covaxin vaccine produced in India was made very timely. Mexico's COVID-19 vaccination opportunities are expanding. So the Mexico Federal Commission for the Protection Against Sanitary Risk, which is COFEPRIS, on Wednesday has granted authorization for the emergency use of India's first domestically produced COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. And since the beginning of the vaccination campaign, the Mexican authorities have distributed 9.6 million doses of vaccines, mainly among elderly and doctors. And the massive campaign began in the second half of February, reported to Sputnik. So what's happening here is that Covaxin, the same vaccine that Ocugen is commercializing in the United States, is going to be used in Mexico as well. So just another country that adds onto the list, as well as Brazil, that is, showing extreme positivity towards the Covaxin vaccine. So there again, this doesn't have to do anything with Ocugen specifically, but it does at the same time, because Covaxin is the same vaccine that Ocugen is commercializing in the United States. And I believe the race to vaccinate the world and everyone is going to continue for quite a bit of time here, and there's more companies and more biotech companies and just more vaccines that are going to be coming out in the coming months. And I feel like a lot of governments are seeing more options the better. So Mexico approving, this is actually their 5th approval of a different vaccine for use in Mexico, and I think this shows very great promise for potential win in the United States. Gives the emergency use authorization to Covaxin for use in the U.S. So given Ocugen's U.S. presence, there is increasing hope that the Covaxin vaccine will be authorized by the U.S. FDA at some point. And there's no real, I guess, indication on when that's going to be, you guys. But I think whether or not Covaxin is approved by the U.S. regulators I'm pretty sure it's going to be. A lot of people are saying it's going to be. But I think a lot of investors are kind of scared away from this because they don't know when. And, again, it's tough to sit on these stocks if you don't know when this vaccine is going to get FDA approval. But I think this announcement by Mexico granting authorization of the Covaxin vaccine is creating a very bullish outlook for Ocugen's Covaxin, which in turn could increase the share price of Ocugen stock. But interesting stuff here, you guys. Just wanted to update you guys that Mexico did grant authorization for this use of Covaxin, and hopefully that means Ocgn in the United States is up next as far as Covaxin emergency use authorization approval goes. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Ocgn, if you're still holding, what price you guys got in at, and if you believe they would grant authorization to use Covaxin in the US soon. Again, Ocgn will receive 45% of those profits. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and drop a like on this video. And as always, you guys have a great day.